get a copyright. What the fuck just pulled in? Another Supra over here. Yeah, baby, the OG in the house. Supra, JDM King, and सबसे खास Skoda VRS. अगर मुझे कोई लगी है इस पूरे शो में, you know what I'm saying. So it is this one. Alright guys, we have got the Toyota Sierra from Mr. Parvez garage. Spoiler alert guys, a big spoiler at the back. This is a GT4 RS, you know. Alright guys, as you saw, this is the gateway for the cars to come in, and here is the entry for the Underground 9. Ladies and gentlemen, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another vlog guys. It's officially the time of the year again when we head to the Underground. If you know guys what kind of event this is, and it's a one-of-one event all across India. This is where it all started, the underground culture in India, and आज मैं आ चुका हूँ यहाँ पर to see some super cool cars and also to experience the event as always. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you also subscribe. And अगर आप लोग मुझे पूछेंगे कि भाई ये सारे events के update कहाँ पर मिलते हैं, तो make sure you are following me on Instagram. The link is down below. ID यहाँ पर flash हो रही रहेगी. There's a red Porsche, beautiful 911 out there with Sirish Chandra inside the car from Team Evo India. And yes guys, बिना किसी देरी के let's head inside the event and I'll show you guys what all cars are there inside. Let's go guys, officially getting inside at the event at the Underground. आते ही अपना स्वागत हुआ है with the big daddy, the big guy, the GMC Denali Sierra HD. Damn man, what a car. And फिलहाल अभी कुछ है ऐसा यहाँ का लाइनअप. The show is yet to start, the show is yet to begin, so wait and watch. And अंदर आते ही we are seeing some super cool Hayabusas. And बिना किसी देरी के let's go inside the Polaris store and get some super cool teas. Alright guys, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो मैंने लिए literally 3 t-shirts from the Polaris store and आप देख सकते हो कितने बढ़िया लग रहे हैं. And as you know, I always say if you are a car guy and if you need a t-shirt or a shirt or a jacket, definitely you can check out the Polaris store क्योंकि इनके टी-शर्ट्स की क्वालिटी बहुत ही बढ़िया रहती है. एंड आप खुद देख सकते हो मुझ पर ये कितना सूट कर रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है गाइस, जल्दी से कमेंट करो नीचे, मुझे पता चलना चाहिए कि आपका भाई कैसा लग रहा है. एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ a big collection of some car t-shirts, so if you're a car guy, make sure you check them out. Also check out their Instagram, the ID is flashing right over here and उनकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल दूंगा. My brother San in the Polaris t-shirt as well. Bhai, how's the quality?
The quality is very good, extremely good, comfortable, and the design is extremely good. Suits to this event.
By the way, if you show my videos reference, I guarantee you just DM them on Instagram and they probably might give you a discount. So इस ऑफर का बिल्कुल फायदा उठाओ and make sure you shop from the Polaris stores.
That's some madness going on over here, and check this out boys, the legendary fucking Supra is here. Damn, the famous 69 Supra from Pune, and check out those rims. And this has got almost over 1,000 horsepower. You know what wonders this car can do. Supra fans out there, jaldi se subscribe karo yaar. So yeah, this is the Supra. You can check out its huge wing and interior तो आप देख सकते हो. मतलब यार क्या ही बढ़िया लग रही है Supra. A JDM is a JDM. Legend for a reason, boys. एंड लिटरली एक होंडा सिविक ऊपर लटकी हुई है ऑन द JCB ट्रेलर एज यू गाइस कैन सी.
Toyota over there with a GR, which is a GR edition to my surprise. And इसका rims check out करो भाई साहब क्या लग रहा है. It's an amazing beast. One of the highlights, I mean one of the many highlights at this underground event is this fucking Ford Raptor. Like boys check करो क्या खतरनाक लग रही है. With the headlights on, the DRLs on, and a special thing about this car जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि ये गाड़ी दुबई से लाई गई है सिर्फ यहाँ for this fucking show, the underground. This car bears Dubai plates and it's here on Carne. And सामने से तो आपको लगेगा कि यार एक basic Endeavour को किट लगाया of the Ford Raptor, but the real fun is at the back. Shout out to VRSP for pulling in this at this event. Boys, this is the real surprise. This is how you recognize it's not a modified Endeavour, it's a fucking Raptor. My brother Jahangir just pulled up in his sick modified Hyundai i20 and इसके rims check करो. Man, BBS rims, good choice भाई. Oh damn boy. Front पूरा कार्बन फाइबर से कवर कर दिया है भाई ने and आप इसके DRLs देख सकते हो. You can see how sick this is looking. And damn, take a look at this beauty. And इस गाड़ी की खास बात is something over here. One of the coolest stickers on the car I've ever seen. And you know, ride or die. Horsepower Cartel and the Car Club. Bye. What a brake light. Yeah, baby, the OG in the house. Supra, JDM King. Yo, check this out, boys. All right, guys. So शुरू करते हैं the lineup as we always do at the underground. So there we go. At the start, we have two of the most sexiest rough cars out there from the off-duty driver school. यहाँ पर है एक Skoda Octavia, यहाँ से Fiat Padmini, वहाँ पर है और एक drift car from the off-duty driver school. Here's a very beautiful contest जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो and मैं आपको इसकी एक बढ़िया बात दिखा देता हूँ. Let me just show you guys इसका steering wheel, like check out करो, literally chains है as steering wheel, so you know you are at the right place, you are at underground and you definitely expect to see some of this shit. And here's a very beautiful vintage Volvo from the Classic Car Studio. Shout out to all of them pulling up with some insane machines. Here's a very cool Maruti Suzuki Zen, here's an Polo, another i20, here's a Skoda Laura, यहाँ पर है the Fiat Padmini. By the way, this is how the Volvo looks from the back as well as the Contessa. And check this out, boys. Twinning like brothers always do. Two of the very cool super duper M5s out here. वहाँ पर है Hyundai Venue with the sharp teeth and check out the hood, very clean. बहुत ही प्यारी मॉडिफाई की है भाई ने. Here's a Verna, here's another one. यहाँ पर है an M340i, there's a BMW X7M, here's a Wagoner, here's Sam Racing's Polo, super duper insane looking one. There's Michelin standing right over there. यहाँ पर है एक बहुत ही बढ़िया and super heavily modded Honda Civic. Here's a Mitsubishi Lancer. Wow, what a car यार, super clean. And और एक Mitsubishi CDR Sports Edition. All of these cars that you see over here, there's one thing in common. इन सब पर लगे हुए हैं बहुत ही प्यारे and insane spoilers. There's another Civic over here from the Mark Performance exhaust. Another one from the Mark Performance exhaust. यहाँ पर एक बढ़िया सी with some very cool rims out there. If you can see a Honda Brio from the Red Bull team, I guess. So if you are a Fast and Furious fan, you definitely know what does pop the hood means like. And this is some insane builds out here. ऐसे कुछ लगती है सारी गाड़ियाँ from the front. You can see the Cloud9 energy drink as the official sponsor. And you can see, bro, these cars are insane.
wait until we get to the SUV section. I'll show you guys some insane cars, some insane SUVs. Damn, this is one of the show you need to get at. यहाँ पर है a BMW XM. What a car! Red looks super duper insane on this one. यहाँ पर है एक another red Rubicon. यहाँ पर है Defender. System right over here. Here's an Audi RS e-tron. As you guys can see, here's a Skoda Fabia. You know, it is what it is. And वहाँ पर हो रहा है some revs. Sanam Sekon is revving right there in his 2JZ. We'll definitely get to that section. As I showed you previously, these are the two M5, the M brothers out there. Audi TT over here. And सबसे खास Skoda VRS अगर मुझे कोई लगी है इस पूरे शो में, you know what I'm saying. So it is this one, because let me just show you. Bhai, this has literally got a wide body kit. Check out the engine. Damn, the music is absolutely suiting this. Bhai, this is some insane stuff. I probably might get a copyright. What the fuck just pulled in? Another Supra over here. Check it out with the GTR R35. Damn, boys. Fuck. What the heck? India's fastest M2 right over there. Audi RS5 from Mohammed Dawn. Dawn is here. Damn, check out Khusru and it's Miami Blue 911 Carrera S. उसके पीछे है another Porsche 911 GTS from the Daljit Mehta's garage. That is it's the only event where we get to see all of this stuff. Okay, Mr. Horsepower Cartel, Santosh. Here's the loud 911 GTS M3 from the Horsepower Cartel collection. पीछे है an M6 Grand Coupe. Damn boys, check करो the Mustang, the Arbstang from Arbaz Samir's garage. यहाँ पर एक 7 Series. Damn boy, Mikhail Merchant driving it. Here's a super cool VRS, super fast. How can we miss the M2 with the off-white? Brother Sujit getting it out here. Shout out to him. और एक BMW M6. I mean, damn boys, this show is insane. The man himself, the legend, Mr. Shekhar Jagdale sir is here with his Honda CRX Del Sol car. Hello sir.
Hi Sarthak, how are you man?
All well sir. Definitely one of the coolest looking Honda CRX Del Sol. By the way guys, so sorry, I just completely forgot this car and went directly to the Supra. You know, Supra is a legend. But yeah guys, continue करते हैं with this car. Boys, you can check, it has got a very wide bumper. Instagram ID आप check कर सकते हो, VRS707. And damn bhai, like with the wide body kit plus these super sick rims, bhai, this is a killer. This is a killer. Inside you can see, bhai, अलग सीट्स लगा चुके हैं. Not so stock car with the carbon fiber steering wheel. VRS707 his Instagram ID. And damn यार, ये भी check out कर लो. क्या क्या modifications किए. Even उधर some tachometers over here and there. You will only get if you are a car guy. Bhai, even with the wanted stickers. I mean, it's a light, yaar. A proper working light. GTA fans out there, comment karo your favorite GTA version. And you are wanted, brother. This is a sick whip. भाई मैं कितना बताऊँ इस गाड़ी के बारे में.
पीछे देखो डिक्की खोल दी है with the VRS badge over there, and the real magic, the real thing is inside. This is the air suspension kit on the VRS. This itself will cost you somewhere around 5 lakhs, and the mods on this cars are like just insane. I just cannot stop appreciating this car because this is the one, this is the sickest VRS I have ever seen till date. By years an Audi TT RS. Let's move on to other cars. Yeah, जैसे कि I told you earlier, my friend, my brother Jahangir Mahabaleshwar wala just pulled up in this very sick, heavily modified Hyundai i20. This is carbon fiber, baby. You know what it is. Another cool. Oh fuck, yaar. I need to check this out. And Aventador is here. Samarth in his Bentley. Damn, yaar. Aventador आ चुकी है. I don't know why. जब भी मैं उस साइड जाता हूँ, कोई ना कोई बढ़िया गाड़ी आ जाती है. There's an Aventador. After almost so many time, we are getting to see this car. Yes, Samarth. Damn.
Guys, everybody, give me the music down, please. Alright.
Cars have started pulling up, and here मेरा भाई आ चुका है, Shardul, and his very sick, heavily modified Accord. What's up, brother?
Special surprise for everyone.
Okay, boys, continuing on. Here we have a super cool Chevy Optra modified with a wrap that you all might relate to because हम सब ने कहीं एक ना एक बार ये मारियो का गेम तो खेला ही होगा. सो यू कैन सी द रैप हैज़ टेकन इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम द मारियो गेम. यहाँ पर है द सुपर मारियो. मैन, व्हाट अ कार, व्हाट अ मॉड. ओके, यहाँ पर है समर्थ भाई की Bentley, the W12 engine. We saw this car at the Valley Run, and यहाँ पर है one of the coolest or probably the coolest modified Honda Accord all across India, because I don't know much about the thing that's inside, but in terms of the exterior look, भाई आप check out करो यार, क्या crazy लग रही है. Like literally इसको transformer बना दिया है. यहाँ पर है और एक Civic, you know, one of the thing which is out of the world right now amongst all the cars over here is this, क्योंकि एक Nissan की SUV है, and check out इसको chop करके they have made this into a pickup truck, and the coolest thing इसके rims आप check out करो भाई, proper JDM wheels on this car with a white wrap, support motorsport, and bro, this is how it's looking from the front. One of a car, yeah, definitely. Modifications to the next level, and how can we forget the legendary, the JDM King, the Supra over here, the 69 Supra from Pune. Bhai, this car is like life. This car is in every car guy's heart. This car has every car guy's heart. This is the legendary Supra. This has got almost over 1200 plus horsepower, or not 1200, it's definitely got over 1000 horsepower. It has a feature जहाँ पर आप switch कर सकते हो if you want 600 horsepower or more than 1000 horsepower. So it's something like that. Some of the few things I've got to know about this car by Supra. So no doubt, proper JDM rims with a big spoiler at the back. So guys, this is the Supra at the underground. And जैसे हमने starting में देखा, the Toyota Serra, which gave inspiration to McLaren for its butterfly doors. So shout out to Mr. Parvez for bringing this out here from the Nine Works. As you guys can see, this is a pure JDM.